We're here at Africa Tech Week 2024. UVU Africa is proud to collaborate once again with Topco Media, and we're here where innovation is unleashed.
It's fabulous to be here at Africa Tech Week and to be able to learn from and share experiences with so many entrepreneurs and SMMEs in the space. I've just sat on a panel entitled The Boys Club, and it was amazing to see how much more room is being made for female entrepreneurs and females at high levels in organizations, and really breaking glass ceilings and creating opportunities across the board.
So excited to be here to represent the township economy and also get to see the amazing initiative that is coming out of tech. In the panel discussion, my aim was to show how a community or ecosystem pushes our entrepreneurs forward.
I'm incredibly privileged to work with an amazing team of both men and women that support one another in order to achieve our goals.